Hey guys, it's Handy Jeff, and today we are talking about the RP115. I'm just making a really quick video because I want to show you guys how useful this tool is. If you want to purchase one, then hit that link down below in the description. It would be much appreciated, and have a great day. Hey guys, this is the RP115, and let me tell you, this thing is a lifesaver. I bought this in February of 2023. I've been using it ever since. And I've been using it to install water meters mostly, or to do plumbing repairs, because my city requires us to put water meters in after never having them. So this little guy, it's going to save your life in labor. So yeah, it is an expensive tool, but you get what you pay for. This thing, it's going to press to spec what you want on anything that is a 1/2 inch or 3/4. So if you're looking to save some labor, this little guy's awesome. What's cool about it is it's light. So I've got it in one hand. You can operate it with one hand as well. I'm going to show you pressing this little guy, all these different fittings. And you know what? Hey, think about this. Sure, it is an expensive tool, but if you had to pay labor to sweat all these things, and not mention worry about burning your house down, like, this is worth it. 110%. If you're a service plumber, handyman, or just a homeowner that wants to work on stuff, I use this for my handyman business, my rentals. I put water meters in for the city. I do all sorts of stuff with this little guy, and it hasn't failed me yet, so maybe you should consider it. What's nice about this is it's got one-hand operation. So I've got that stuck on there, and it's just floating there. We just got to level it out and then pull the trigger. And you've got yourself a connection. That's perfect. All right, this is real time. I am not going to speed this footage up at all. Check out how quick you can press that. This is operating with one hand also, as you can see. Once again, one hand operation. And with its ability to swivel, you can get into almost any little corridor you need to. Like, check this one. And we're back. And the best one, it's the last one, so I can come in here and check this out, guys. Think about how long this would have taken had you needed to sweat all of these connections. So if you're looking for a ProPress, I cannot recommend the RP115 enough. If you learned something really fast today, then hit that thumbs up button so that YouTube pushes this to more people. I would be much appreciated. This has been Handy Jeff. I will see you in another video.